Before we start the video, I'm going to tell you one of the symptoms I was experiencing, which led me to believe it was the high pressure switch. I would turn on the air conditioning system and the electric fan would turn on, but the AC compressor pump wasn't being activated. The clutches weren't being engaged. So when I would turn off the air conditioning system, the electric fans would still be on, and that's what led me to believe I literally had to unplug the switch / sensor, and then the fans would turn off. Got the Chevy Avalanche out here. Changing the high pressure switch on the air conditioning system. See that switch right there? That's going to be it. It's located on the passenger side. No, I don't know about in your area, but in our area you can't get them at the local parts store. Especially the high pressure switch. You can see it's the 3-prong round one. I got it on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description. You get this part for about 15 bucks. Save yourself a lot of money. This takes about a couple minutes to put it in. So it's 9/16 or 14 millimeter. Here it is out of the wrapper. So you don't need to empty the system out to replace this switch. I know it's probably a question that a lot of you guys have. Should have minimal leakage. Wear gloves just to be careful. Yep, got it in there. You can see the AC pump is working. It literally took 3 minutes to get that out. Just put the wrench in there. It's plenty of room. Look for the link in the bio to the part. That way you're not overpaying. Retail, you're gonna pay over $100 for that part. I got it for real cheap for you guys, so just click on the link. Here's a picture of the old one. I don't know if you guys need to see it or whatever, but there's the 3-prong. It's round. Got a Schrader valve in it, so it leaked like barely anything. You could just hear the pressure release on it, so don't let it scare you. But it didn't leak at all. This is what it looks like. So good luck.